Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the first lecture of mycology and plant pathology. Introduction to fungi. Lecture number 1, course code WAT 505, course title Mycology and Plant Pathology. Brief history. The term mycology is derived from Greek word myx, meaning mushroom. Mycology is the study of fungi. Ability of fungi to invade plant and animal tissue was observed in early 19th century by Vassi. Bassi in 1835 studied the mascarade disease of silkworm caused by fungus Varia bassiana. In 1910, Raymond Savarot published his book Les Tangents, which was a comprehensive study of dermatophytic fungi. Raymond Savarot is also regarded as the father of medical mycology. Some beneficial effects of fungi. Fungi inhibit almost every niche in the environment decomposition. As a major decomposer, fungi provide a main role in our ecosystem. For example, nutrient cycling and carbon recycling. Biosynthetic factors. Fermentation property is used for the industrial production of alcohols, fats, citric and oxalic and gluconic acid. These are the important organic substances that can be produced by fungi. Important sources of antibiotics such as penicillin. This is also the first antibiotic made by made from the fungus source. Model organism for for the biochemical and genetic studies. Durospora crassa and yeast Saccharomyces species. These are the important model organisms for genetic and biochemical studies. Saccharomyces species extensively used in the recombinant DNA technology also. Beneficial effects again. Some fungi are edible, for example mushrooms, moles. These are the edible. Yeast provide nutritional supplements such as vitamins, cofactors. Penicillium is used to flavoring cheeses. For example, Roquefort cheeses and Camembert cheese. These are the some very important cheeses used by Europeans. Ergot produced by Claviceps purpurea contain medically important alkaloids that help in inducing uterine contraction after birth, controlling bleeding during surgery, and treating migraine. Fungi. Leptolagnia, Cardate, and Aphanomyces levis are used to trap mosquito larvae in paddy fields, thus help in malaria control. Paddy fields, those fields that have stagnant water. Stagnant water places may be the source of mosquito production. So, these fungus control to malaria control by inhibiting the population of mosquito. Harmful effects of fungi. Destruction of wood, lumber, paper and cloth. Animal and human diseases. Animal diseases may athlete feet, ringworm, oral and vaginal thrush, including allergies. Toxins produced by poisonous mushrooms which within food. Mycetism, they are known as mycotoxicosis. Plant disease. Red rot of sugarcane, some very important disease. Decline the sugar yield from sugarcane. Dieback, this is the disease by which the tip of plant portion is dyed, has been dyed. Damping off, rust, smut, these are the important plant diseases. Spoilage of agricultural products such as vegetables, fruits and cereals. Damage the products such as magnetic tapes, discs, glass lenses, marble statues, bones and wax. Brief classification of fungi. हम जो है मेजर क्लासिफिकेशन जो है वो नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे. दिस इज दी brief classification. Fungi were initially classified with plants. Hence, the influence of botany can be seen on the classification. Because they are classified with plants, so influence of botany. Because the presence of cell wall only. In 1969, Whittaker classified all living organisms into 5 kingdoms, namely Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and Animalia. This classification is too complicated to be done. There are alternate and more practical approaches, one based on sexual reproduction and other based on morphology of the cells, vegetative structure. Classification of fungi based on sexual reproduction. Zygomycetes, which produce through production of zygospores. This is the based on sexual reproduction. Sexual spores produced by zygomycetes are known as zygospores. Ascomycetes, fungi, which produce endogenous spores called as ascospores. Here we talk about only the sexual spores. Sexual spores produced by zygomycete, here are these zygospores. Ascospores are to be produced by ascomycetes. Basidiomycetes produce basidiospores, which produce exogenous spores called as basidiospores in cells and basidia. Retiromycetes, fungi imperfecti, fungi that are not known to produce any sexual spores, ascospores or basidiospores. This is a heterogeneous group of fungi where no sexual reproduction has yet been demonstrated. Based on morphology, classification of fungi. Number 1 are the molds, number 2 yeast, number 3 yeast-like, and number 4 dimorphic. Molds. Hyphae, those produce those fungi that are composed of filaments, hyphae, and mycelium. Filamental fungi, Aspergillus species, Trichophyton, rubrum. And second class is yeast, single-celled cells that birds, Cryptococcus neoformans, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The common mean of reproduction in yeast is the budding. Yeast-like organism, similar to yeast but produce pseudohyphae. Buds remain connected to each other and produce a false hyphae. This type of false hyphae are known as pseudohyphae. For example, Candida albicans. Candida albicans is an important organism that causes vaginal thrush in females. Dimorphic fungi, dimorphic का मतलब है कि दो shapes वाले, दो different environment में दो different behaves से ये response करेंगे. Fungi existing in two different morphological form at two different environmental conditions. The dimorphic fungi exist at more environment at ambient temperature. Ambient temperature means room temperature 25 to 30 degree temperature. They remain as molds. And as yeast in human tissues, human tissue temperature remain about 35 to 37 degree centigrade temperature at body temperature. Histoplasma, capsulatum, blastomyces, dermatitis. These are the some examples of dimorphic fungi. They exist as molds at ambient temperature 25 to 30 degree temperature, and they behave as yeast at body temperature, human body temperature. Thanks.